The Newpowa 100W solar panel kit includes 2 high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panels and 2 sets of Z brackets, making it a versatile option for various off-grid applications. These solar panels are constructed with high-performance cells encapsulated in ethylene-vinyl-acetate, sandwiched between high-transparent, low-iron tempered glass and a durable tedlar-polyester-tedlar backsheet. The heavy-duty anodized aluminum frames provide exceptional rigidity, ensuring the panels can withstand high winds up to 2,400 Pascals and snow loads up to 5,400 Pascals. Each panel comes with pre-installed diodes in the junction box and a pair of pre-attached 3-foot solar connector cables, simplifying the installation process. Newpowa offers a 2-year limited material and workmanship warranty, along with a 10-year 90% output warranty and a 25-year 80% output warranty, providing long-term reliability. This solar panel kit is an excellent choice for RV, marine, and boat installations, delivering reliable power for off-grid living.